Business, it's all about taking the right decision at the right time. And to take the right decision at the right time, you need to have the right tool even on the go. Introducing the ACER TravelMate P2 laptop, the business laptop that makes perfect sense for your growing business. With the TravelMate P2, it has never been easier to work in office or remotely. Scale up your productivity through a combination of increased processing power, portability, and durability combined with a plethora of useful business features and advanced connectivity options. At first glance, we can tell that the ACER TravelMate P2 is a machine of refined elegance with its sturdy matte black chassis that weighs just 1.6 kg and is less than 20 mm in thickness. Dig deeper and you will find that TravelMate is built to last with military standard 810 certification. It combines style, functionality and portability all into one device. You can get it in 14 and 15.6-inch options. With a full HD IPS display, it boasts of increased brightness, expanded contrast and amazingly accurate colors encased in these slick, narrow bezels for a sleeker look. Stand out from the crowd with the elegant business suit looks and premium feel of the textured top cover. Finally, it's time to say goodbye to choppy video conferencing experience. With advanced Intel Wi-Fi 6 technology, you can now enjoy a smoother wireless experience with up to 3 times faster speeds than standard Wi-Fi 5. ACER TravelMate P2 is truly well connected always. With increased connectivity comes responsibility to keep your data safe. Hardware TPM 2.0 ensures secure authentication and safeguards company data, while the physical camera shutter keeps the lens of the webcam blocked and your privacy protected when the camera is not in use. Additional security features such as Windows Hello and the optional fingerprint reader for the extra layer of security help with easy and secure access, allowing you to unlock your device with just your fingertip or a quick glance at the camera. Power your way through work and meetings without breaking a sweat. With the 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, it delivers impressive computing and graphics performance. Up to 32 GB of RAM with 2 physical DIMM slots ensures you can multitask effortlessly, while the dual microphones provide real audio enhancement and experience during conference calls. The TravelMate P2 with its 48 watt-hour battery easily lasts through a day of work with up to 13 hours of battery life, letting you work uninterrupted. When it comes to the connectivity department, the TravelMate P2 comes with a full set of ports including VGA, HDMI, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, supporting Thunderbolt 4 that provides 40 Gbps data transfer. You can also easily expand the port via the optional ACER USB Type-C dock. With the dock connected, you'll be able to connect to 4K displays, charge multiple devices, and connect all of your workspace peripherals as you see fit. With all those specs on board, it doesn't leave any scope for competition. So go ahead, make that move for your business. Get the TravelMate P2 laptop. To know more on pricing, custom configuration, or further information, then reach out to us with the information given in the description below.